Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of these drop front shoebox size small. And this is exactly how it came in the mail. So it was not in another box. It literally was just sent to me just like this. I think I probably opened 18 of these already, or 19 so far, but yeah, this is it. It came exactly like this, and as you can see, that's how it is. It's not really much I want to say protection or whatever, but it's literally only this little styrofoam piece that's right here that's keeping it from going every which way. So that's it, and then we're gonna take one out. Okay, so yeah, just a real simple design. Pretty much kind of remind me of those Sterlite containers, if you want to keep it all the way real. It's just a little more convenience as far as the top part goes. And here, just to give you a better idea of how it is, you pretty much just, you see, you kind of gotta, and to be honest, it seems to be really fragile to me, so I kinda, but it's not like I'll be opening one box like every day, every single day, all the time, because if that's what the oh my god, if that was the case, I would be concerned or worried, because it, like I said, it's very light. I can't even explain it. It's really lightweight. When you push it down, it seems like, I don't know, it just feels like it might break. See? So I'm really a quality over quantity type of person, but at this point, when it comes to this, I mean, obviously you get, I was able to get a lot at one time because they were in stock, but at this point I'm pretty much just paying for convenience, just because I can just open it right up, close it back in, because you can get the same thing with like those Sterlite boxes, but who wants to do that, right? Because that would have been equivalent to me with my boxes being stacked up and me having to pull out and then open it and then try to put it back in, make sure hopefully they don't fall and stuff, and that's just a little bit too much. So these are it. I feel like it was a great investment, strictly because of the convenience purpose, and of course aesthetic reasons, because, you know, black is my favorite color and it just looks more uniform and organized, and I'm all about that. So yeah. Alright, so this has been a very, very daunting task. If you could, it would be ideal if you were to just purchase as you go, because that's really what I'm going to do from now on. But we then got down to the last little bit, to the nitty gritty, and I'm almost done. About to put these up here, and I'll show you the finished product. Y'all, I'm about to cry. Look, hold on, let me turn on the light. So yeah, that's it. This is it. And then over here, like off to the side in the corner, there's a couple things I might have to get rid of. Videos that I was supposed to do, Lord willing, I'll still be able to get through that and do that for y'all. But yes, this is it. I'm so happy, so freaking happy. Okay, well, there's step one. Now off to do the rest of the thing.